a million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just let me out in your sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Hey y'all, I'm back with some human hair drip from, I must say, somebody asked me that, why am I screaming again? Somebody asked me which company is my favorite human hair wig company. I'm really torn between like two, but one of them is definitely Asteria Hair. Like, if you are thinking about ordering from them, y'all don't hesitate. I wholeheartedly support this company because they have given me some bomb.com units out of all of the human hair units I've received. So Asteria Hair was nice enough to send us another wig. And of course they sent wig caps in the color that I like. They sent me a personalized bag to store the wig, of course. And they sent in a piece of elastic band in case I want to sew it into the wig. In the description box, I'll put the exact name of the wig that I got. Because to be honest with you, sis, I don't remember. Links to where to purchase. And also, I'll put the discount code in that box. So, I see that the wig that they sent me is 22 inches long. Okay, I'm taking her out of the pack. See, it says 20. Can y'all see that? Nope, because it's backwards. 22 inches long, okay? Like I said, this is my first time wearing or seeing her with you. Oh, I got a longer one. Y'all, look at this. It's a beautiful body. Oh, y'all, that hair is so soft. Y'all, this hair is so soft. Good grief, okay? Oh, she's beautiful. She's 22 inches long. Look at that parting space. You're going to get tons of parting space in there. Okay. She has two combs in the front, one here, one here. She also has a comb in the back with your adjustable straps. She is very, very, very pretty, y'all. It's so soft. I wish y'all could feel it. Touch it, sis. Touch it. You can't touch it. It's so soft. It's pretty, okay? Instead of continuing to wear my hands through it, what I like to do is take off the stocking cap. And somebody asked me, why don't you wear your rear hair? Sis, I wear my rear hair on the daily. Like, it's my most favorite wig. What I like to do is put this on before I cut off the lace so you guys can see what the hairline looks like. Okay, and like I said, I'll put all the details in the description box. Okay, but that's that hairline before I cut off the lace. Okay, she does come with short, natural baby hairs. Okay, so what I'm going to do is cut this lace off and then, like, run my fingers through it, play around with it a little bit, and then I'll be back. Y'all, I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, y'all. I'm not just saying it. This is the softest, most tangle-free human hair wig that I've reviewed, okay? And this length, I love it. It's not too long. The 22 inches is actually what I used to get when I used to get sew-ins, okay? And I am 5'5", and there's where it falls. I think the wave pattern on this is just gorgeous. Okay. Super beautiful unit, y'all. I definitely recommend this. Asteria hair, top notch when it comes to this human hair wig. I definitely, with my entire heart, recommend that you get this. With that parting space, y'all, you can do all types of stuff with it. You can pull some up, pull some half up. You could do a high pony. There's so much that you could do with this wig. I definitely recommend it. There it is up close. I just put a little bit of powder right there, but you know, of course, you could go in and put powder all the way back, lay some baby hairs. She is gorgeous. Look at this. So I definitely recommend it, okay? In the description box, I'm going to put links to where you can purchase this beautiful body wave unit. Like I always tell you, maybe you aren't into wigs. I don't know. Maybe it's your auntie Martha, okay? Martha ready to get her groove back because her husband died and she drawing his railroad pension, okay? Martha want to go get some hair from Asteria hair. Maybe it's not Martha. Maybe it's your third cousin Mark. Stop judging him, okay? If Mark put this unit on, he breaking up somebody's home this summer. He is, okay? Y'all, this is beautiful. Thank you so much, Asteria hair, for sending this out. Until next time, I can't stop playing in it. And y'all look, my fingers go straight through it. Until next time, which will be extremely soon, my loves.